Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a secure website with SSL from Let's Encrypt. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To create a secure website with SSL from Let's Encrypt, begin by accessing your web server. Log into your server via SSH. Update your package list to ensure you have the latest software. Install CertBot, the client used to obtain an SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt. For Ubuntu, you can use the command sudo apt install certbot. Once the installation is complete, you'll need to stop your web server temporarily. Use the relevant command for your server type to stop it. For example, if you are using Apache, type sudo system stop Apache 2. If you are using Jinx, use sudo system stop Jinx. Now, you're ready to obtain your SSL certificate. Run the certbot command to request the certificate. Use this format, sudo certbot certainly standalone dyourdomain.com. If you have multiple subdomains, add them with dsubdomain.yourdomain.com. Certbot will then communicate with Let's Encrypt and, if successful, generate your SSL certificate. After the certificate is generated, you'll find it in the /etc/let'sencrypt/live/ directory. Next, it's time to configure your web server to use the SSL certificate. If you're using Apache, you'll need to edit the configuration file. Add the following lines under your virtual host's configuration: SSL engine on SSL certificate file /etc/let'sencrypt/live/yourdomain.com/fullchain.pem SSL certificate key file /etc/let'sencrypt/live/yourdomain.com/privkey.pem. If you're using Jinx, locate the server block and include this configuration. Listen 443 SSL /certificate /etc/let'sencrypt/live/yourdomain.com/fullchain.pem SSL_certificate. Save the changes and restart your web server to apply the new settings. For Apache, use sudo system start Apache 2. For Jinx, use sudo system start Jinx. To ensure your SSL is working correctly, visit your website with https:// before your domain name. You should see a secure lock icon in the address bar. Run sudo certbot renew dry run to test the renewal process. Now you have a secure website using SSL from Let's Encrypt. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.